Also known as lady's finger, okra is more than just a vegetable. It's a medicinal powerhouse. Whether you're looking to improve digestion, balance hormones, boost fertility, or even enhance your skin, okra has something for every woman. Stay tuned for this full guide on how okra can dramatically improve your health naturally. Let's start with the basics. What makes okra so special? Okra is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with magnesium, calcium, iron, folate, and fiber. These nutrients play a critical role in bone health, immunity, menstrual regulation, and reproductive function. Did you know that just 1 cup of cooked okra offers over 30% of your daily vitamin C requirement? This is important for collagen production, keeping your skin firm, youthful, and vibrant. Vitamin A supports eye health and a strong immune system, while vitamin K strengthens your bones, something all women need, especially during and after menopause. If you've ever cooked okra, you've noticed its signature sliminess. This gel-like substance is called mucilage, and it's incredibly good for your gut. Okra mucilage soothes the digestive tract, promotes smoother bowel movements, and can even help prevent constipation and bloating, common issues many women face, especially during pregnancy or hormonal changes. Plus, the fiber in okra feeds the good bacteria in your gut, essential for hormone regulation, mental clarity, and immune health. Hormones can feel like a roller coaster, from PMS to menopause, but okra may offer a natural way to find balance. Here's how. The magnesium in okra helps reduce cramps and stabilize mood. Folate supports healthy ovulation and menstrual cycle regulation. Vitamin B6, also found in okra, plays a critical role in reducing PMS symptoms like irritability, fatigue, and bloating. Regular consumption of okra may even help ease the transition into menopause by maintaining hormonal balance and reducing inflammation. If you're trying to conceive or already pregnant, okra should be on your plate. Okra is rich in folate, also known as vitamin B9, which is crucial for fetal development. Adequate folate intake before and during pregnancy can help prevent serious birth defects of the brain and spine. Moreover, okra supports the reproductive system by improving cervical mucus quality, balancing estrogen levels, and reducing oxidative stress, all of which boosts fertility. During pregnancy, okra's fiber supports digestion, reduces constipation, and helps manage blood sugar levels. Important for preventing gestational diabetes. Let's talk beauty naturally. Okra is a skin and hair savior. Thanks to its vitamin C and antioxidants, okra fights free radicals that cause premature aging. It promotes collagen production, fades dark spots, and improves overall skin texture. For hair, okra acts as a natural conditioner. Its mucilage adds shine, reduces dandruff, and can even stimulate hair growth. Some women even make dye okra hair masks or face gels, and the results are amazing. Struggling with sugar cravings or weight gain? Okra has a low glycemic index, meaning it doesn't spike your blood sugar. It helps regulate insulin, reduce hunger, and improve metabolism. The soluble fiber in okra makes you feel full longer, reducing overeating and unhealthy snacking. This is especially useful for women with PCOS or prediabetes. Heart disease is the leading cause of death for women globally, but okra can help protect your heart. It reduces LDL, bad cholesterol, improves blood pressure, and keeps arteries clear, all thanks to its antioxidants and fiber. Eating okra regularly can lower inflammation and improve circulation, key for heart and brain health. You've probably heard of okra water, a popular health tonic. Here's how it works. Soak 4 to 5 okra pods in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, remove the pods and drink the water on an empty stomach. This remedy is believed to improve blood sugar control, boost fertility, enhance digestion, reduce inflammation. Some women report reduced menstrual pain, increased energy, and clearer skin after a few weeks. Of course, always consult a doctor if you're managing a medical condition. Wondering how to add okra to your diet without losing its nutrients? Here are a few ideas. Steam it lightly to preserve vitamins. Add to soups, stews, or stir-fries. Blend into smoothies. Yes, really. Roast for a crunchy snack. Try okra chips or pickled okra. Avoid over-frying, which can reduce its health benefits. Okra may be humble, but its health benefits are anything but. From balancing hormones to boosting skin glow, improving fertility, and protecting your heart, this green veggie has your back at every stage of womanhood. Don't underestimate the power of nature's pharmacy. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give us a thumbs up, share with the women in your life, and subscribe for more health content designed just for you. Let us know in the comments. Have you tried okra water? Or do you have a favorite okra recipe? We'd love to hear. Until next time, stay healthy, stay empowered.